Good day, my name is Rudy from Alublack, and just want to say welcome back. We're going to show you today all our configurations. Some are new, some are old, some are brand new, but I just want to start off with, onthou, hulle weet nie wat ons weet. We're going to start off with this double cab Land Cruiser. This is now the full setup, so we're going to show you all the configurations on the double cab. So as you can see, this is a full setup on a double cab. Full length canopy. On the back we've got a ARB hydraulic jack. You can also do a backpack geezer system at the back here. It's got a ladder, it's got a spare wheel, and it's got very nice extras on here. As you guys can see, there's 3 configurations that we've got here. To begin with, that's the full setup we've got, full canopy. Then with all our systems, you can take the canopy off, and then you can do drop size like this double cab, which is very nice. Like this customer wants a fridge on the back, or you can do bicycles, or you can do bike racks on this vehicle, so you can do drop sides, full drop sides. We move over to this one, also double cab, but it's got a small canopy with small drop sides. So you still got space for your wood or to put a bicycle at the back here, and then you've got a very nice small canopy that we can also do a drop down fridge slide, and it's got space inside, dust proof, waterproof, and you can also lock it. So this is a very nice setup, full canopy, drop sides, small canopy, and all of them can be interchangeable. So you can take it off, you can put it back anytime. Now we move over to the single cab. On this vehicle here, you guys can see it's a fully kitted single cab, which it's got all the bells and whistles. Which is nice about this and our brand new trailer that we've got. All these canopies are interchangeable. So you can take this canopy off and you can put it on this trailer. As you guys can see, this is a single cab canopy. So you can literally remove this canopy. Then you've got a flatbed with a nose cone with plenty of space inside. So you can all of these can be interchangeable. So you can put this canopy on here. If we go to the vehicle, you can also see it's a small canopy, the same size as the one on the double cab. But this is a small canopy with drop sides, with cattle rails, and with seats on. You can choose anything you want. You can take a full hunting setup or only the rails. But this canopy on here can also go onto this single cab as you see it here. So you take everything off, takes you half an hour, you take everything off, you take this canopy off, you put it on your single cab, you've got a full camping setup on your single cab, or you can take it off and put it on your trailer. Do your hunting setup on your vehicle, or you can work with it. You can do it whatever you want to do. Alright manne, dis nou hier waar die groot honde uitkom hierso. Die groot honde. Hulle weet nie wat ons weet nie. We're very excited to show you our brand new and the first for Alublack is a double cab Iveco. As you can see, it is a massive canopy. This customer especially wanted this little drop here. So if he's fitted his rooftop tent, it will be flush with the headboard. But as you guys can see, this is a masterpiece. This is a brand new for Alublack. We're very excited to show this. It's got 2 spare wheels on. It's got 3 75-litre water tanks inside, one inside the headboard, 2 in the chassis. It's got a very big drawer at the back, 2 spare wheels as you can see. But yeah, we're very excited to show this to the customer, and yeah, it will be on the road soon. This is also a first for Alublack. This is a 200 series Land Cruiser that's been chopped, extended by 650 millimeters, and we've put this beauty on here at the back. First for Alublack. As you can see, we're very excited with the lines of this vehicle. We're not here to build ambulance boxes. It must look nice on the vehicle. As you guys can see, the pretty lines that we've got here, very nice canopy. A little step here at the back, so the wheels doesn't hang off all at the back. 2 spare wheels, also drawer in, water tanks, everything. So this is also a first. You will see it on the road. Alright guys, thank you very much. If you need any info, you know where to get us, social media. To contact me on my cell phone 071 633 6632, or you can email us. We're all over the socials. If you want any one of these beauties, give us a call. We build it for you.